Imagine experiencing a staggering 3,000% sales growth in just months. Sounds impossible? Not for Sheets and Giggles. Founded by Colin McIntosh, Sheets and Giggles specializes in award-winning eucalyptus bedding. A unique offering indeed. Launched on Indiegogo, this brand quickly graduated to becoming a fully independent, direct-to-consumer powerhouse in bedding. However, breaking into Amazon was no easy feat. The competition is fierce, and standing out can be a struggle. The core challenge? Presenting their vibrant colors uniquely while adhering to Amazon's strict photo guidelines. Tough task. With high stakes, Sheets and Giggles knew they needed professional imagery. DIY efforts wouldn't suffice for this ambitious brand. Partnering with Soona, they began transforming their images. Consistency across colorways elevated their product's visual appeal immensely. The result? Eye-catching photos that not only met Amazon's quality standards, but also caught shoppers' attention far better. The transformation was phenomenal. From $2,700 in March to an astounding $91,000 in May, fueled by stunning visuals. Quality content is essential for any brand looking to thrive. With Soona, Sheets and Giggles turned a challenge into a massive success.